Hi, my name is Ryan Rudin. I'm with Ralston Hogstrom. I cover central and southern Illinois and the eastern half of Missouri. And today, during our three things, we're going to discuss the Werner new R3 reusable concrete anchor. What is it, how it's mounted, and what's the advantage? So what is it? The Werner reusable concrete anchor is exactly what it says. Reuses into the concrete, been cycle tested over 5,000 times. And how do you mount it? You drill a 3/4 inch hole. You have to blow the hole out and then easily press the button on top, go into the hole and release it. And now your anchor's mounted into the hole. So what are the advantages? The advantages are it can be used in horizontal or overhead applications. The 360-degree mitigates rollout. Unlike the old version, which was a cable loop and swedge design with cable spring release, this is much easier to use because it is a new 3-prong design and there's no cables to be used. In the past, if you read the instructions, which unfortunately most people don't, the swedge design would get lodged or jammed in that hole. And the way to get it removed is you take a screwdriver, give it a little wrap down on the patented spoon area, and it would release it. Unfortunately, most people would actually just take a screwdriver, hit it, and just kind of try to pry it out, which would damage the springs and the rod. The new design itself eliminates all that. You can see from the push button here on top, all you have to do is just take the palm of your hand, give it a quick little wrap, and it should come out very simply. If there's been so much pressure put on that, kind of in a horizontal application, you can always take a rubber mallet and just give it a little wrap, and again, easily remove it. With it being 360 degrees, like I showed you earlier, it really does prevent rollout. So what is rollout? Well, in some designs and some things that are out there, if it's used improperly, you can pinch the side of your connecting device and put enough pressure on it to where it could roll out. With this new design, what happens is it is impossible to really have that roll out because no matter how your connecting device is attached, because it moves in 360 degrees, you won't have that issue.
Hey Ryan, what does R3 stand for?
Great question, Dan. R3 stands for rapid, rigid, and reusable. Again, kind of what we talked about earlier. Rapid, how easy it is to install and uninstall. Rigid, meaning diamond hardened, very secure, no more cables themselves, 3-prong design. And reusable, meaning you can use it over and over and over.